My dear friends, after visiting and taking the blessings of Mayamma Siddhar and Kanchamalai Siddhar near Salem, our family was proceeding towards Nerur to have darshan of the great Sadashiva Brahmendral's Samadhi. From Salem to Nerur, we crossed quite a few places of religious and spiritual importance. We visited Namakkal, we visited Kolli Hills, and we were proceeding towards Trichy. Just near Trichy, our car was stopped by some fruit hawkers. We actually thought that they are stopping our car to sell some fruits, but they said, "Don't miss this place." They showed us the board. The board was having Mahendra Mangalam, the name which will definitely evoke great memories of Paramacharya of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam, Chandrasekhara Saraswati Swami. Why? Because in that place only there was a Veda Patashala where he learnt various aspects of Vedas and Vedanta. He learnt grammar, logic, Vedanta, Mimamsa under suitable teachers. From the year 1911 to 1913, a boy of 13 named Swaminathan became a sannyasi and rose to become one of the most respected spiritual leaders, worshipped by millions of devotees even today. He undertook training in the small village. The moment he took sannyas, the senior administrators of the Kanchi Kamakoti Mutt decided to move him to this beautiful quiet village called Mahendra Mangalam, because the place where he was staying was too crowded, and they all decided that he should be given proper teachings in this place. Even today, a temple of Adi Shankara one can see, and rituals are all being conducted under the care of Kanchi Mutt, and I would definitely request everybody to visit this place Mahendra Mangalam and take Adi Shankara's blessings. Please take out some time to visit this place. It is just 2 kilometers from Tottiyam in Trichy district.